I am North Miami because I love the community. I love the diversity. I love all my neighbors from different backgrounds. And I just love interacting with my neighbors and trying to make the city a better city for all of us.
Folks, what most people really aren't aware of, because if you're not a historian, why would you be concerned with it? But our history goes back, believe it or not, several hundred years.
I am North Miami because I've grown up in the city, gone to school with North Miami Elementary Buccaneers, North Miami Middle with Home of the Tigers, and now still being in the community, working with FIU in the city of North Miami at the beautiful Biscayne Bay campus. So thank you, North Miami. Keep it up and happy 100.
I am North Miami because I live, work, and play here in Miami. It has provided for my family. My children live and play here as well. This is a wonderful place, so diverse, so full of energy, and beautiful people. That's why I'm North Miami.